first warning weather with meteorologist Freddy Vela.
Hello everyone, meteorologist Freddy Vela here, joining you for now. We're taking a look at what you can expect for the rest of the night tonight. Obviously, the concern is going to be showers, and we'll get to that in just a bit. But as the front comes in, we're expecting temperatures to take a pretty massive drop out there. Look at some of our lows overnight tonight, from 36 out in Mason to 37 in Llano, 40 degrees in Austin, 41 as you get to Bastrop and Giddings. The warmest it looks like will be down in San Marcos at around 43 degrees. So your severe risk late through tonight and into early tomorrow will continue to be the same spots we talked about. It shifted over just a bit east, and if you tuned in yesterday, and this is one of the things I was talking about, most of the storms look like they're going to mostly be within more of the eastern counties and east of our viewing area, but the metro is included with this in case a few of those storms do develop within that spot. And when we talk about severe threats, we're mostly talking about winds and a lot of rainfall. The tornado risk still remaining very low, as you see with your hail about an inch or larger, and winds at 58 miles per hour or less. So again, this is going to be something we'll need to continue to watch as we play this out throughout the rest of the night tonight and into tomorrow. And you can even see this really picks up really after 9-10 o'clock. When we get to about 9 o'clock, you see some of the heavier showers that could build up around 11 to 12. That continues to about 2 a.m. And once we get to about 4 a.m., looks like we'll pretty much be clear. Well, we'll have to wait again until we get to about Monday for the next round of isolated pockets of showers start to pick up. And then pretty much all day Monday, you can see that we'll get moderate to heavy showers as a possibility. That continues all the way through the early evening hours. And once we get into the overnight hours, things clear out just a bit as we lead into Tuesday. The rainfall amounts showing you, even as we get into early Sunday, still look like it's mostly going to be a Fayette County and east of our area type of activity. We could still see up to about an inch to Monday at around 11 a.m. You can even see that next round of showers continues to build, mostly within that eastern county and southern portion of our viewing area before things start to calm down. So as we look at your lows, and now that the front's going to come in, we're going to get pretty cold out there. In fact, for Tuesday morning, look at some of our temperatures: 34 degrees, 32 degrees as we get into Mason, 32 in San Saba, and 33 in Lampasas, with Austin hitting 40. But let's take a look at your wind chill, what it's going to feel like. And this gives you a good idea of that feels like temperature, especially as we get into early Sunday morning. It'll be feeling like it's within the 30s and really never leave from there. It'll stay like that pretty much all day long. As we get into early Monday morning, same thing, 20s and 30s is what it'll feel like, mostly throughout the entire day. And then Tuesday, back down again. Tuesday morning will be some of the coldest temperatures and some of the coldest feel-like temperatures that we're actually going to have, where it's going to feel like it's 27 in Mason, 29 in Llano, 29 in Austin will be that feels like temperature before Tuesday we start to warm up one more time. Rain chances, again, they do pick up one more time Monday and Thursday, so keep that in mind. Don't put away the umbrella just yet. At least we have these rounds of showers that'll be coming in. And even as we look past that, past the next 7 days, you can see that our 8 to 14 day rainfall outlook keeps us in that wetter than normal category, which is good news. We need more rain. In fact, we're looking at normal rain at around over half an inch of rainfall. It looks like we could get more than that as well. So your 7-day forecast, putting it all together, keeping us in the 40s as a high for Sunday and Monday, 57 by Tuesday, 64 by Wednesday before another front comes in late in the day on Wednesday. That'll drive down our temperatures one more time as we get to about 58 degrees by Thursday. There's your rain chance continuing Thursday into Friday before we warm up again as we get into Saturday. All right, folks, keep it here. And of course, we're going to have more on our website, KXAN.com.